This is not a test. This alert has been authorized by the President of the United States. You need to evacuate now. We have information that North Korea has plans to drop a nuclear bomb in your area. Seek shelter or evacuate now. You have 1 hour. Coast Guard will direct you to shelters. Board all windows and lock all doors. Move to an enclosed space somewhere low to the ground. Bathrooms and closets are good places. Bring canned food and bottles of water. Bring pillows and blankets. Bring a radio and a first aid kit. An all-clear alert will sound when it is safe to go outside for food. Do not stay outside for long, however, radiation will kill you. Good luck to all survivors. May God protect our land. Civil Defense has issued a all-clear alert. It is now safe to leave your shelter for short amounts of time. The United States thanks you for your cooperation during these difficult times. May God restore our country and the people inside. Coast Guard is sending rescue teams to the area.